Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install the PGT aluminum horizontal roller. I'm going to demonstrate how to anchor and seal the window the right way. The first step is to remove the jamb cover from inside the window. With my hook tool, I'll be able to grab the top of the jamb cover and remove it from the jamb. The next step is to remove the sash. I need to unlock both locks and then open the sash. The next step is to raise the sash, swing the bottom out, and the sash will be removed from the frame. The sash and jamb cover have been removed. I can now dry fit the window into the opening. After dry fitting the window, apply sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The appropriate sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners per your application to anchor the window in. Remember to use shims at every fastener location when needed. The shims need to fully support the frame all the way around. As you're anchoring the window, ensure your frame stays square, level, and plumb. I'm going to continue anchoring the window into the opening, and then I'm going to work my way down to the sill. This window requires anchors in both jambs, head, and sill. In order to anchor your sill, you must use your hook tool, lift up, and remove the track cover. After you remove the track cover, you'll notice the baggie of parts inside the sill. Remove this bag and set it off to the side. We'll need this later. When anchoring your sill, start by drilling the concrete through the pre-punched holes of the sill. Get all that dust out and fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and then anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each fastener with sealant. I've now anchored the window into the opening in a square, level, and plumb fashion. I'm ready to add my sealant to the exterior perimeter of the window. To recap, I've now installed the PGT aluminum horizontal roller. I've ensured the frame is square, level, and plumb, and used all the appropriate fasteners and sealant. In the next video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches of this window.